In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over image in Squarespace. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to place text directly on top of an image using Squarespace's editor. By the end, you'll have a clean image with readable text exactly where you want it. First, open the page you want to edit and add a new block in your section. You'll see the Add Block option appear when you hover in the editor. Click it to open the block library and choose the image block. This drops a placeholder image onto your page so you can customize it. Open the image settings by clicking the small pencil icon on the block. In the editor that appears, select Add an Image. Then choose Upload File to bring in an image from your computer. Pick the file you want to use and confirm. For best results, use a clear, high-quality image that isn't overly busy so your text will be easy to read on top. Once the image uploads, you can adjust it right in the editor. Use the available controls to refine how it displays. Set the focal point so the most important part of the photo stays visible across screen sizes, and tweak the crop or zoom as needed. Take a moment here to get the composition right. It makes the overlay text look intentional and polished. Now add another block to the same section. This time, choose the text block. A text placeholder will appear. Drag the text block over the image until it sits on top. In the Fluid Engine editor, you can freely position and resize blocks, so use the handles to scale the text box and place it where it's most legible, often near the center or along a clean area of the photo. If you see snap guides, they're there to help you align things neatly. Click into the text box and type your message. Keep the text concise and meaningful. Use the inline toolbar to format it. Adjust the heading style, size, weight, and alignment. For readability, make sure there's strong contrast between the text and the image. If your background is light, choose a dark text color. If it's dark, go with a light color. You can also increase line spacing or add a short subheading to improve clarity without cluttering the design. Take a final look across desktop and mobile previews to ensure everything lines up well and remains readable. That's it. Your text now sits cleanly over your image, ready to publish.